Look, she's back. So she went away on Monday. Then there was the earthquake. I'll post some pictures. We're both well, and we're doing well. So Annie did a retreat on Summer Island, and she got there. And you've got to remember that this is a retreat organised by the church through the school. And Annie got up at 4 o'clock in the morning, got ready, went down, went to prayer, then had their lunch, breakfast, then they went to prayer, then they did some activities regarding the Bible, no mobile phones, no nothing. So, did Annie learn anything? She did, but it felt like
it's not a good comment at all for me.
that she felt like she was being forced to learn religion, which is not a good thing really, in my opinion, only in my opinion, not in Annie's, but in my opinion. If you force anybody to do something, then they rebel and they reject and they push it away. So it needs to come from the heart, not through fear. Annie's tired, yeah. So, what we're talking about today, we're talking about palanca. Yeah, so Annie, there was a thing came up on Annie's Facebook last week about palanca, because when Annie was at the retreat, she got very, very emotional and very tearful because the people at the palanca, at the retreat, were turning around and saying all these lovely things about Annie, that she's helpful, she's supportive and kind, and it really turned around and made her look at her friends in a different light. But she didn't realise that that's how they felt about her. That they had this endearing love, this endearing wall of friendship and kindness to Annie, and from Annie to them.
I become an emotional Annie.
She became emotional Annie. Anyway, so Annie was explaining it to me when she got home about an hour and a half ago, and she became tearful once again, explaining about it. And then when she was on Facebook, she was reading the palanca messages from friends, because she had not had a phone, and those messages made Annie tearful as well. So deep within Annie's heart, and contrary to what some of her school's friends say, that she's got a bitch face.
They told me, Ate, if someone doesn't know you, you have a resting bitch face.
There we go.
Like, what?
I know I'm fat and I'm ugly. Yeah. But anyway, so we're going to have some lunch today, and I didn't get Palanca messages, but I do understand the effects and the impact that they have on the Philippine people, whether male or female, or whether at retreats or on Facebook. The kind words that are being said by others to someone that doesn't realise the impact they've had on that person. Okay.
That's my
So,
cry.
yeah. So
I did
there's,
not expect. We have this activity that says after this music with prayer stuff like that. Those people who has like need to say something to someone or to say something in the present, and those people who feel gratitude to someone who's been had a big impact during the schools and stuff like that during the school years, so they can say thank you. And so when the activity starts, I did not expect that all my classmates will come to me and give me their candles and say thank you. And at first I was trying to be, normal Annie.
yeah.
The hard Annie. Just, okay, thank you, you're welcome, stuff like that. And then suddenly I can't take it anymore.
So, to all of our school friends, thank you. Thank you for the respect.
Every one of them holding that.
There we go. We're going to get our food. Wow, look, Annie's got her porchetta. Looking lovely and lovely and lovely. Oh, she's got the gravy. She's got a starter of artichoke bruschetta, a mango smoothie without any sugar. And look at that, that's Annie's lunch. There's a salad. Lovely.